Do you enjoy Italian cuisine and dream of bringing it to your own kitchen? Introducing the Uno Casa stainless steel pasta machine, the ultimate tool for making fresh Italian pasta dishes from the comfort of your kitchen. With our easy-to-use pasta machine, you can prepare 3 different types of pasta: lasagna, tagliatelle, spaghetti, or use the included ravioli mold to sculpt the perfect ravioli. Adjust the thickness of your pasta to your liking with just the turn of a knob. Choose from 9 different thickness levels to roll out the perfect pasta for your family. This pasta maker is made out of superior food-grade stainless steel, ensuring superior durability. The stainless steel rollers provide an even and smooth kneading of the dough, and their rough surfaces make pasta porous, helping it to absorb more flavor from your favorite sauce. The cutters are made out of aluminum to prevent metal from chipping off into your dough and offer a smooth, easy rolling experience. The package also includes a pasta cutter, so you can easily form and shape your favorite pasta. It has never been easier to prepare true, fresh Italian pasta dishes. From spaghetti with tomato sauce and tagliatelle with pesto to traditional carbonara or ravioli with ricotta, the options are endless. The Uno Casa pasta machine. Fresh Italian cuisine right at your fingertips.